It's JR the electronic guy here, and we got a special treat. We have something from Big Boys with Cool Toys from Horizon Hobbies deal last month. Super excited to get the hands on it. It was the most amazing deal. We have the Arrma Vendetta. This should be the blue and green. Let's get into it. Super excited. Look, 1/8 size. It is only a 3S, but it can do 70 miles an hour. I already have the batteries for this. I've been trying to keep all the boxes, so let's be nice to it. Looks like it's been open. I wonder what it was open. This has been retaped. Ooh. I got this for 50% off, guys. Oh, we'll figure out how to get into it. That's different. Alright. It has. There we go. We got Free Willy. Let's see how they have this mounted on the bottom here. I don't really have the right knife for this. I was like, oh my, it's so heavy. I couldn't believe how heavy it is. It's heavier than my Notorious, I think. Alright guys, here we go. Look at that. So nice. Get in the box while you guys are looking at the car. Your normal Arrma goodies. It looks like it comes with a high-speed pinion. Ooh, it comes with an extra wing. Maybe that's a weak point. Oh, it comes with the Spectra controller. These ones are nice. I don't have any of these. That's my first one. They changed all their electronics, right? This is their new controller. This is the DX3. That's how they changed it. I'll show you my other DX3 later. Let's get into it and take a look at it. This is all-wheel drive. Look at that. Super special. Look at the foam bumper for when you hit things. Look how much foam that is. That's crazy. I'm definitely gonna have to shoe do and mesh this body, because if I hit a curb doing 70 miles an hour, there won't be a lot left of this vehicle. It's got 3,900 kV 3S motor. That is actually fairly high speed. That's so crazy. Look at that foam bumper. It makes me feel like am I supposed to take it off? But no, that's protection. That's so crazy. All right, guys. We're gonna go throw a battery in it and go play with it. It looks super awesome. Thank you, Big Boys with Cool Toys. Hope you guys have an awesome week and a happy 19th birthday.